Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Siyasat Rapid in Shorts. Today 22nd Ramzanul Mubarak. Let us start with Hadith Sharif. हज़रत सलमान फ़ारसी रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु से रिवायत है, रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया, रमज़ान सब्र का महीना है और सब्र का बदला जन्नत है. एंड सियासत रैपिड इन शॉर्ट्स. Andhra Pradesh Quaid issues guidelines for curfew, direct collectors to enforce it strictly. IMD forecast rains for next 2 days in Telangana. Second oxygen express reaches Hyderabad. Hyderabad efforts on to augment oxygen beds in hospitals. Heartbreaking. Whiling daughter fights mother to give water to COVID positive father in Andhra village. RBI proposes for term liquidity facility of rupees 50,000 crore to ease access to emergency health services. Supreme Court strikes down Maharashtra law granting reservation to Maratha community. Mamata Banerjee today took oath as the Chief Minister of West Bengal for the third straight time at Raj Bhavan in Kolkata. Describing COVID-19 relief materials coming to India as aid is not accurate as its friendship, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said. Massive fire breaks out in Noida slum, at least 36 shanties burned down. A massive fire broke out on Tuesday night at a slum in Barola area of Noida sector 49 in UP. Woman tries to smuggle cocaine in shoe soles in US, arrested. A 21-year-old woman was arrested in US Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport for attempting to smuggle 3 pounds of cocaine hidden in the soles of 7 pairs of shoes, customs officials said. Taliban would roll back Afghan women's right if back in power US. The Taliban would roll back much of the past 2 decades of progress made in Afghanistan's women's right if it is regains national power, and US intelligence reports said on Tuesday. Meghan Markle writes children's book inspired by son Prince Harry. UK's Duchess of Sussex, Meghan Markle will release a children's book titled The Bench on June 8, inspired by her husband Prince Harry's bond with their son Archie, the couple's foundation announced. Iraqi health minister resigns over hospital fire that killed over 80. Iraq health minister Hassan al-Tamimi stepped down from his post on Tuesday. At least 12 people were killed by flash floods in Afghanistan's western province of Herat, the regional government said in a statement. 20 people, including children, were killed and 49 were hospitalized when a railway overpass collapsed onto a busy road in Mexico City on Monday night. After rumors of singer Lucky Ali's death due to COVID-19 went viral on social media, actress Nafisa Ali rubbished the rumors, saying, "Lucky is totally well," she added. Royal challengers Bangalore and India's keeper Virat Kohli has returned home and is looking forward to his bid to help the country, which is grappling with the second wave of coronavirus. Latest pictures of Kohli can be seen here. See you next Wednesday. Till then, Allah Hafiz.